Alright, last time I tried to make this little case piece, I was almost 3/8 out of square. Found a router bit, smoothed off these things here a little bit, these edges. Now we're gonna see how I've got it somewhat, I've got a couple screws on each corner. Don't have it tightened down all the way yet. We're going to see right now how close we are. Hook it on a corner. If I can get my tape to stretch out the right way. Hook it on the corner. Pull it to the opposite corner. We have 36 1/16, it looks like, in that corner. Hook it on the opposite corner, like so. Pull it to the other corner. Right on 36, between 36 and this looks like just under a 32nd. So I'm going to say that's close enough, because if I don't want to have to recut these whole pieces, so I think that'll be real close. I can put some clamps on it when I flip it over to put the back in it. Pull it one corner one way just a hair, and I think that'll be completely square. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought.